Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Student, let us solve next question number 44, NEET Physics paper 2014. Hello students, let us solve the next question number 44. The given graph represents VI characteristics for a semiconductor device. This is a semiconductor device and this is a VI characteristic curve. The curve is like that. This is the I current is taken in y-axis and V is taken in x-axis. This is my point A and this is my point B. Which of the following statement is correct? It is VI characteristic for solar cell where point A represents open circuit voltage and B short circuit current. So now, what does this A and B represents or talks about? So what is A and what does B represent? It is VI characteristics of solar cell where A represents open circuit. In case of a solar cell, if you think of the barrier, this is suppose the width of depletion layer. And suppose that light is incident on this. So before this is incident, barrier potential, we know that this is P and this is N and this is positive and this becomes negative. So there exists a potential because of the diffusion process. There exists a potential inside the junction that is called junction barrier or potential barrier, and it is from N to P. Okay, this is from N to P. So because this is from N to P and there is no current flowing to this is called open circuit. This is correct. This is open circuit. So this part is okay that I write that N to P in solar cell. Or I write here in solar cell when no biasing is done at the junction, the field exists from N to P. Okay, N to P, and this is open circuit voltage. The voltage across the junction is open circuit voltage across the barrier. That is correct. This part is correct. And point B represents short circuit current. When you talk about point B, this is point B. The point B represents short circuit current. Why it is so? Because when light is incident, then charge carriers are produced, extra charge carriers are produced, and these extra charge carriers produced creates a flow of current from P to N. Okay, it's from P to N. So this implies a short circuit current. So this is an open circuit voltage, and this point represents the current, that is a short circuit current. Okay, so this answer is correct. It is VI characteristics. In VI characteristics of solar cell, A represents open circuit and B represents the short circuit current. That is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.